So I propped my camera up against my fly reel so I could get in the picture and hopefully make you jealous of a beautiful day after a cold spell and a lot of rain here in Oregon. So it's Monday and I'm out fishing at one of the little ponds, and I have caught one good sized fish, fair sized fish, and I'm enjoying myself, and I thought I'd take this camera out of my pocket and pan around and kind of show you the scenery. Okay, I've moved around, sitting at a bench. You can hear the stream that flows out of this little pond. It's flowing pretty good right now because of all the rain. The stream is clear. The little pond is a bit green. You can see my car parked over there. And there's where I was standing before when I took the first video. There's another little pond that's up above this one, that's very small. But it's got some good sized fish in it. You have to sort of sneak up on them up on that pond.